Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. It's finally arrived, this package from SlimePartyUK, and it comes in this really pretty bubble mailer in lovely metallic pink. So this looks so exciting. And look at this! Wow, that is really nice. And we've got a really cute little squishy cat. I just love that, really nice touch. And there's more, this beautiful slime and this lolly. So this is very nicely put together. It's got some borax. Here's her card. She does bespoke slimes parties. No wonder she's called SlimePartyUK. And information on how to look after your slime. So that is a very nicely done package. Really cute envelope, I love that. So, he's so cute, isn't he? Give him a name, comment below if you like, down below. And on to the slime, and I've been really looking forward to this. And this is very nicely put together. It's not cracked, it's not leaked. Look at all those lovely little sprinkles and flown beads, and it's even sealed even though it's a screw top jar. Very nice indeed. Oh, that looks so good. Let's dive in. That smells really nice. It's kind of like a sweet soapy scent. Very thick, very stretchy, a little bit sticky, but oh, that smells so good. And I'll just need to activate this a bit, although it's slightly on the tough side but sticky, so we'll sort that out, no problem. So just to let you know, I paid £7 for this slime, which is, I do believe, an 8 ounce in a screw top jar, so that's very good value. Plus £3.20 in shipping, so £10.20 in total. So as this is slightly sticky, I'll just activate it. I happen to have some already made, seeing as I make slime myself, so but there is a little baggie of borax she supplies if you need it. So it's slightly tough, which is not a problem at all. If you find slimes are sticky and tough, you can just fix it with a bit of hand lotion. Oh, and what's this? It's a little lolly charm, how cute. And this slime is called Sweet Shop Slime, I do believe. Yeah, and it's come with this little surprise lollipop, so that's really cute. And all those colourful beads just make it really look like just hundreds of little sweets. Plus the smell, which is really nice. So I'm going to add a bit of hand lotion to this just to loosen it up a bit and remove some of the stickiness at the same time. So that's a lot better now. It's super stretchy, it's not sticky, and it's got good poke and click. And very crackly too, really good. So this slime's been very generously packed, it's self-inflated, I can't fit it all in the jar, and there's the lolly on top too. So I'm really happy with this slime, and if you're interested in buying the same, you'll find it at slimepartyuk.etsy.com. Go check it out. So that is it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!